Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $10,000 level. We are currently ranked at 234 with a market cap of about $335 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $54 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So for YFI, in the last 1 week, we are up about 10.3%, and without further ado, let us push to the charts, right? So we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So for YFI, we basically have been looking at this pattern where we see right here a consolidation push to the downside, consolidation, massive breakout to the upside. We saw the same thing right here, consolidation push to the downside, consolidation, and then a massive breakout to the upside. Since then, we have been seeing that we were expecting 12,400 to be our next price point right here for YFI. And so just flipping over right here to the weekly chart, we could see how high we could expect to see YFI to go in 2024, right? So to get that, we would basically be using the Fibonacci price prediction tool right here, as you can see from top to bottom right here. And so our first price target right here for YFI basically would be the 0.236, and the 0.236 currently is at the $25,000 level right here for YFI. So we could see YFI go as high as the 25,000. Our next target right here in 2024 is the $39,000 level right here for YFI. And if YFI choose to go haywire, we could see YFI hit its golden pocket, which is right there at the $68,000 level. So currently from where we are, we could see the price of YFI push a whopping 500x or 500%, which is about a 5x, if we see that sort of massive golden bull run, which we are expecting right here in 2024, right? So these are price predictions right here in 2024. Could we go higher in 2025? Yes, but in 2024, this is what we're expecting, and that is the update right here from us. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.